With Item OMS products, you can easily manage, import, and export all your product list. To export, click on your products, then choose Export. The file will be in the form of an Excel. You can search by any of these functions above to find a specific product. To import products, you can manually add one product one at a time, or you can download our template for batch upload if you have a list of products. Once you've filled out that Excel with your list of products, you'd simply drag and drop, then upload. If you've duplicated, you'll see that error. I have previously already uploaded my test, so you can see all the products I have listed out here. To edit, click within the product. Then you can add your image, your title, your source if it's active, also custom weight, pricing, and any barcode.